What's up everybody, Mobby13. Okay, welcome to my new video here. I want to talk about today, I have a new piece of software that I wrote called Tanuki Web Browser. It's for Windows and Linux, and I want to just jump in by saying, let me introduce you to Tama. That's our mascot for the web browser. Browse the web in text. Simple and beautiful. Enjoy reading news and stories. That's kind of the concept of the web browser. My friend and I have been working on this. I created and programmed this, and I have just posted it up on GitHub. I already went ahead and fixed a major issue with it, so it should be pretty decent. Let's take a look at the features. So, on the features list, we have a lot of features. That's kind of the nice thing about this program. I've already gone through the beginning and added a lot of cool stuff to it. So we have color themes, which is wonderful. You were able to actually select custom colors for the background of the web page, the color of the text, and the color of the links. That's a really nice thing. So you could basically endlessly customize it any color of any of those things. And we also have a fast and simple night mode that I think has a pleasing mix of colors to allow you to, in the evening hours, enjoy reading whatever it is you like to see on the internet for text. So then we have a back button. Ooh, ah. Yes, we have amazing features like the back button that takes you back to the page that you just were at. So realize that this web browser was coded completely from scratch. It's in 100% Python programming language. So anything that you see in the program is actually created from nothing. A lot of people will use the Chrome web browser, for example, as the basis of their program, but in this case, we have a special engine that allows the web pages to be downloaded, read, and outputted to the user. We also have the text size zoom buttons on the top right, so you can read the websites at whatever size that you prefer. Very quick and easy to get to there. There's going to be websites that have a lot of text and websites that have a little bit of text, and you're going to want to place the text somewhere on the screen where you like it the most. So these buttons allow you to do that. You also have the option in the menu to save the website as a text file. So you are able to, one little thing that this web browser has is kind of neat. You can actually live edit the text. You can copy and paste into the website, and you can delete parts of the website when it's loaded. So it allows you to actually space things apart, reorganize information, put things together to compare. You can do all that while you're browsing the web. So I think it's a unique experience. I think it's kind of fun and interesting. And if you don't want to do that, you don't have to. So we have the easy search functionality. Your favorite search engine is just a click away. You go ahead and click the magnifying glass, which kind of looks like a circle, depending on which operating system that you're on, because we use the universal symbol instead of actual graphics. We're actually using text and symbols. So that's just one of the limitations. But what it allows you to do is type in your search term and then press enter, or click on search, go, and then you can go ahead and see your search results. So I thought that was a really nice system. Allows you to go to access a lot of websites whenever you don't know where to go. You can just use search and stay inside the browser. And then you have the keyword system. So we have a special keyword system where you type in a website that you want to go to, and it will auto-complete the website. So for example, if you want to go to yahoo.com, usually you'd have to type in HTTPS for the secure connection, www.yahoo.com, and then a slash maybe. But in this case, you just type in Yahoo, press enter, and it automatically completes and takes you right to the website and gives you the full website URL. So I thought that was a really cool system. There's more features, too many to list, which is great, but these are most of the major features. Not that there's a lot, but new features are being added. We'll see what develops based on feedback, which is really what this is all about. I want to get feedback from users, and I know there's going to be people that love it, people that hate it, people that are indifferent. But it's available for now for free. It's donationware. If you feel that the program was of value to you or you liked it, please go ahead and donate what you think it's worth. But your feedback is enough. So I'd like to hear what you think about the program. I'm actively developing and releasing a website very soon. It's going to be in a matter of today, tomorrow, a few days. I'm not sure. I'm going to try to get that up. I will post the website down in the description so you can check that out. So you can see an overview of the browser and more about what the features look like and all that stuff. So thanks for watching. Basically, go download my web browser, and I hope you enjoy it.